Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm continue working on the Silverado. Today's episode is gonna be frame work. After I took off the cap yesterday and find out this damage on the frame, called my buddy and see if his frame available. He told me today he's actually dropping the vehicle off. He's gonna work on other vehicle for a couple days and I have 2 days window. So in order for me to get rolling with this truck, I need to get the bed off of it. Also, I need to get my truck with the trailer here, load this thing on the trailer and to his place in order to set it on the frame rack, because I have only 2 days and after that the frame rack is gonna be busy for at least 2 weeks. And I don't wanna get stuck with this project. I wanna go with this project real quick because I have everything and I can go through it real quick. So task number one, to get this truck under the hoist, get the bed off, pull the truck out, pull it out somewhere over there probably, turn around somehow and load it somehow on the trailer. But gladly this year I purchased a tractor, so that will be big help. But now let's go get the tractor and pull the truck under the hoist. That little tractor, huge helper, got this thing in here, made that parking lot, made the other things. Like thank you for selling me that little tractor. I really need it. I hope you're watching the videos, you know who you are. So it's not like we trying to get the same exact frame like 2 years ago, maybe a year ago, no, 2 years ago with Michael with the little dolly, and right now it's like with the tractor. Boom. I mean, it wasn't that easy. It took me 2 hours to get this thing loaded, but hey, it would take way more time if I would load it by hand. So I'm ready now. Let's go and do some pulls. Let's fix that frame. Alright guys, I made it to my body shop. Now let's go set truck frame on the frame rack in the air so we can start doing some pulls. Alright guys, this is what I end up with. Remember the way I was looking? No buckle here, no buckle here. No more buckles over here. This all out. Everything looks good, right? Looks same exact as over there. That means we right on. Only thing what I don't know is if this still have this V shape or not. I can tell that only after I install the cap with the bed, and then I'm gonna be able to tell what is it, if I need to raise it or if I'm already there. I'm not gonna work on the mounts today. It's late, time to go home, still have to drive about an hour, so I'm gonna leave everything like it is, come back after work tomorrow, finish the mounts for the cab. This one over here, this one over here, and few on other side, and after that I can load it on the trailer and we can go home and continue working on it home. But I was a little bit worried about this damage over here, the frame damage. When I got it here, my friend saw it, he's like, really, you've been worried about this? I'm like, but how this gonna come out? He's like, all you have to do this and this. I did exactly what he told me. Hey, came out beautifully. I mean, you can tell what I can do, but my friend, whatever he can do is totally different. 27 years or 28, close to 30 years experience working on cars, working with frames, body work and all that. It's like it's totally different. So when I'm leaving this shop off of here after I did some frame work or any other work I did on this frame, I don't leave until my friend approves my work, and if he said it's good, he likes it, then I'm free to go. If he said I don't like this, I would do this, then I would still work on that until he would be satisfied, guys. I know the way he doing it, it's nobody, I haven't seen anybody else does what he does. So I'll sketch you guys tomorrow when I come back here. Alright guys, I'm back at the shop. Let's fix this mounts and I believe that'd be it. We should be good to go. This I'll replace at home. I don't want to take the space from him, but all the rest of the mounts I'm gonna do right here. So let's get to it. That's it. I'm done with the mounts. This one is done, this one is done. Look at this one. Looks good, looks even. Same thing with this one. Everything is good. Let's go on the other side. Check it out how it came out. And this one wasn't damaged. And this one looks straight now. Looks good. Same thing with this one. That's it. This one needs to be cut or no cut, because the load's gonna be here, so it needs to be cut here and here. But that I can do at home. I don't want to take out the space of him. That's it. Let's get the truck here with the trailer under, and then roll this frame off on the trailer. I'm done using frame rack. Also, I cleaned after myself. And one little tip for you guys: if you're using somebody's shop or somebody's tools, even though if you got in the shop and was dirty, and when you leave, always clean the place. The owner of the shop will appreciate that. He will most likely give you that place again to use it, and always put the tools back where you took it from. If you don't remember where, just ask. I'm done here. I leave the place clean. I'm gonna lock the shop and let's go home, unload that frame, and see what else we can do. Alright guys, I'm finally home. Let's get a tractor, let's start it up, let's warm it up a little, and let's get this frame off of the trailer and park it here for today. And tomorrow hopefully I'm gonna be able to start installing the cap. We'll see how everything goes, but right now let's get it off of the trailer. Alright, got this frame off of the trailer safely. Nothing happened. Everything went in pretty smoothly. The frame is back at the house and we can start installing the cap on it. But before that, the cap needs to be finished, right? So it'll be sitting here next day. Tomorrow it's gonna be sitting here, and hopefully day after tomorrow I can start putting the cap on it. We'll see how the progress gonna get on the cap. That's gonna be a wrap for today's episode, guys. I know it might seem not a whole lot of progress being done, but hey, it still needs to be done. The frame needs to be right? So with all that, hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash that like button. And if you want to see inside scoop before YouTube, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Salvagemasterv. Thank you for stopping by. I'll catch you next one.